Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about BTC. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, in this video I want to talk about just this local range. So technically it can be the range. So the high, March 2024, here's a gap. I add my alert to check, and here's the top. I already explained it. So rarely the BTC or any of the other tokens stop it at so clear round number. So it's not like impossible, but it's just a sign. So most likely sooner or later we will bounce and sweep this high again. One take. Next one, this is a stat. So people so often during the last, I guess, 2 years, 3 years, they share some random stuff about the super cycle, about the ETF, about a BlackRock, about a mass adoption, about the country's micro strategy, and all of this absolutely useless information. And they share this months, so all the time, we have to pump, we have to pump, we have to pump. So the people is like addicted to the green candles. And here, the stats, it's just the stats. So February, mostly during the last, I don't know, 10 years, I guess, it's almost always bullish. And the March also almost every single time the bullish, 30%, 23%, 16%, but we closed the minus 2%. Here's a minus 17. So the last time minus 33% was only in 2014. And take a look. So it's just random stats. So now people, of course, start showing you the information. So the April also bullish. I believe in April bullish. I believe because just a simple reason. It's just a basic price action and we can't move always down. We can't. So it's just physically impossible. And here, this was in March 2024. We stopped it in August 2024. I don't think so. This is going to be absolutely the same pattern. March started here. So probably it can be the opposite way. My lowest take for BTC is 73,905. This one. Form the warranty and form the 3 drops. I already explained you how it works. So usually, we like impulse, we stop, sweep at the low, and we can drop again. So 1, 2, 3. About a 3 rise pattern. I will make a video, so I will explain you the logic of this one. So it's similar like this one. 1, 2, 3. So guys, it's just the basic and the most negative case scenario. So the bullish case scenario, guys, can be also mentioned. If we not drop under like 80K 500 and not hold the line at 79,600 here, not hold the line. Most likely we'll see something like this one. When? Nobody knows. If we hold this block, we got a chance, recover back, go over this high and start build the structure, another one. I highly recommend you go and check the video about a structure. Technically, it can be the range. At this current moment, we can't know are this is a range or not. Because after the fact, it's so easy to say, oh, we was in range. But now, nobody know, are we going down or not? That's why, guys, my conclusion for BTC, now everything okay. Only the one and only question, what will happen with the altcoins? And I want to show you the BTC dominance. So here, the plan for BTC dominance, almost still the same. So let's add with the magnet, not almost, everything's the same. So I mark around here, I made a post in the Telegram channel, Absolute Total for free. Why I mark this block? Because so often we form the 50% candle. This one, weak. So often we come back and close 50% of the weak candle. This one. It can be the weekly time frame or a daily time frame. And a mark we can hit here and take a look where we stop. Where we stop. Till penny, guys. Because it's a 50% of weak. And now the most positive case scenario for BTC dominance, if we go into 63.32. So it was just hypothetical alliance, direction, but the K point was like 63%. It can be the correction and close the 50% of this week. You know, that's the point. Can we go higher to 27 zone, for example, or even 64% or 65? Oh, of course it's possible, guys. It's just absolutely random rhetoric questions. Everything possible in crypto. And the altcoin season, guys, is here. So absolutely still everything the same. So we can't move always forever up, right? So it's physically impossible, right? So you have to understand it. Also, I want to show the DXY. About a DXY index, you know, I shared this FIB, you know, in Psalm 22, I guess, or it's Psalm 23. And I explained it to you. So this is what I'm waiting for, BTC and DXY. So we traded here. This is an impulse. I want to show you here with the trade on indicator. If you track it here, it was sell, 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 drop, support, consolidation, sweep the low, bounce, hold the line, zero level, bounce, reject, come back. It was a great time to buy the dollar. We going higher. Here's a take profit from the buy signal on the weekly time frame. Here's a sell signal on the weekly time frame. Most likely take profit for DXY will be in this block and here. So this is the two zones where I waiting the dollar. You have to understand when the dollar will be here or here. I don't know, maybe here even. This is going to be the probably, and if we got a correlation between the DXY and BTC, the high risky assets, it will be the top of the top for BTC. So you can open the chart of DXY and track how DXY perform on the weekly time frame and how the BTC perform. This is it. Take a look with the indicator set, guys, now on BTC. On BTC, what I don't like this stuff. So this was a buy signal, here's a sell. So no, no take profit signal from sell. So this kind of weird. My take is 139 for BTC. This run. Can we go higher? Yes, of course we can. Locally with indicators here, it was a sell. Here's a take profit. Here's a buy. Definitely after that buy. Of course, you can't trade just by one single indicator, no, but it was like 10% pump. Here's a buy, a recommendation close position. So the worst case scenario, it's a dump to 73, 900. The positive case scenario, if we consolidate in this range like this one and go higher. When? Nobody knows. So for me, of course, much better if we trade like this one and BTC dominance going down. And so during this time period, maybe, I don't know, April, May, and summer, alts will pump. And in this consolidation, the whales accumulate a BTC, and then in, I don't know, by September, October, November, they will push the price of BTC higher. But now the main question, personal for me, for BTC, everything okay. The main question, what will happen with the alts during this time period, summer? Because a lot of alts now dump it to new historical low. Like, for example, Glimmer, Moonbeam. It's kind of weird. What's going on now? Daily time frame, it's 61,900. So 62,100, 61,900. This is a buy line on the daily time frame. Take profit line on the daily, it's 122,976. Exit line, 139. So this is what I'm waiting for. And I explained it to you in my video, I don't know, 3 months ago or 2 months ago, I shared ADZ. Here, on the daily, we are in accumulation. So this accumulation, and would be good to see that one more drop and form the daily that we're going to see on ADZ. We will see. Direction, it was a time to fix profit, no signal to accumulate, nothing. And the money power, market mood, take a look. How the sentiment changed in the market on the daily here. It was like top of the top here. Top of the top, drop, disbelief, 91K, pump, 110, top of the top, drop. Here's the capitulation. So this is how it works. Money power, guys, here. So take a look how many bullish signals now. Here, money inflow, 1, 2, 3 days money inflow, RSI bullish that we're gonna see, money inflow, RSI bullish that we're gonna see, no new money inflow, but soon I guess we will see some money inflow. Weekly Every side bearish divergence was here at the top, and now nothing, no money inflow. We need to see something like this one, like what was September 23. Monthly, no signal to sell money outflow. Let's check the BLX, guys. I want to show you the BLX, Bitcoin Liquidity Index, this one. So this is a historical chart of BTC. So technically, like you can see, there is no money outflow. So main money outflow was here, this point. Now somebody accumulated, but without money inflow, right? And we can see one more impulse up. I want to check also, by the way, the USD, this one, crypto. Same story. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about a BTC. Do you really think, do you believe so it was the end of cycle for BTC and we go into 60K to 50K to 30K, I don't know, or we going higher during this year or the next one? If you like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write my name, subscribe channel, his like button, his notification button, don't forget your channel. See you next time, guys.